Why does your scanner show the P3300 engine code? What does it mean? P3300 is a diagnostic trouble code for manufacturer-controlled DTC. The P3300 engine code indicates the PCM is receiving an erratic or dropping signal from the exhaust camshaft position sensor on the bank one-cylinder number 1 side of the engine. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Malfunctioning sensor, defective ignition coils plugs, clogged fuel injectors pressure, incorrect camshaft timing, vacuum or air intake leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD-II equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Lexus, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.